Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is after God created the light. I'm fixing to blow your mind. Now, as I said on the other videos, anyway, the first, second, and third distance from the alpha, so this right here is a gigantic, well, it's dimensions, y'all. It's like this. There's the atom. There's a dimension. There's a dimension. There's a dimension. So the earth is in dimensions. Okay? It's in like a bullseye. So you have the nucleus. You have a masculine, proton, neutron, and all these are supposed to be electrons, I guess. Let's see. Alpha, closest to the functional group of atoms in an organic molecule. So alpha is organic, all the way down to omega. When God created this light, He created layers to it. It became layers. So we have all this that the alpha created, okay? And this part is organic energy, or the atom. The atom, okay? You got the proton on its orbit. You got the neutron on its orbit, and you got, let's say, the electron on its orbit around the nucleus. Okay, I'm not an artist, but y'all have seen this symbol many times as referring to the atom. Okay, the atom. Proton, positive, neutron, negative, electron, balance. The electron comes here and keeps this thing stable, okay? So now you have the beta. Let's talk about this beta right here just a minute. Now this right here come out of Joshua in the lands that Joshua conquered. Now this is Bethel, Beth Shemesh. Now this right here, that means radiation of the sun. Beth Shemesh. Now this is all the places that Joshua overtook. Okay, so you have the rock, the apple. Now this right here, if you'll research the golden apples, you will find this right here has a lot to do with the Kundalini. And it's guarded by, I think, hippopotamus, I think it is, in Egyptian culture, which is the box, or Pandora's box, or Noah's Ark, all the same thing, or something like that. I can't remember right now. I'd have to get my notes out and check it. But anyway, look at all this. Escape. Now, this is what these words mean. I already know this right here means beta. But this word means apple, the rock, escape, the desert, Dagon, Beth Dagon, Dagon. Y'all know that is a delta radiation. Okay? Now, how it mixed with a delta, now I can't answer that right now, but I will. I will, because I'm going to dig into this right here. I'm going to dig so deep into this right here, I'm going to let you know. I'm going to tell you how. And Jacob's name is right beside it. So let me keep going. Replies, hollowness, ease, vanity. Partridge, destroyed of God. Partridge, now, electro, one of the furies. Now, I dug into this word because I didn't understand what the partridge was. So I got Electoris, the Perdix, alteration. This is the ability to alter one's energy. To alter one's energy. Now you have these right here. Also you have Beth Markabeth, means place of the chariots. You have Beth Lebaoth, lioness, which was Leah in the Bible. Now you have Shemesh, city of the sun, and you have Beth Anath, which means replies. Now these things right here that are energies of the sun are this: natural instincts. All of them, every freaking one of them are natural instincts that are energies put into the soul to incarnate with. Now you can't put the instincts of a bird in the instincts of a man. You just cannot do it, because every instinct is found on a different level of radiation or light, every dimension of light as it is created in the zodiacs, because this right here, where is it at, shows me that it is in a balanced order. These things are in a balanced order. There is balance for this one, balance for that one, all the way down, and it's in the shape of a pyramid, like it was being hid from us as above, so below. Okay? So this is what the below part is. The below part is right here in the Bible. All these crystals in Revelation 21, 19 through 21, you have the jasper, shada yada shmata, all the way down to the amethyst. And these energies in these stones are our zodiacs, or the energies of our chakras. Our energies of our chakras, 1 through 5 is in the body. This is root, sacral, abdominal, heart. Your pineal gland is where this is the throat, I'm sorry. Is where your happiness and clear communication comes from. Oh, you gotta tell people what you think. Okay, your sardius, your pineal gland, the third eye, is where your discernment comes from. So if you don't have an open pineal gland, your discernment that you think you have is false. It is false. It's discernment from dishonesty and trickery. And 7 through 12 is in the crown chakra. 7 through 12 is in the crown chakra, to where right here are color coordinated as the dimensions of the universe. The dimensions of the universe. Lucifer, the devil, he duplicated, mimicked, and copied everything he did, and made him one out of the foundations of the walls of the city. Now these are the lights coming in from the inside of the earth, called the aurora borealis. These are the same lights that exude from the aurora borealis and the aurora australis, from burning matter inside of the earth, that match the same energy as from zodiac, from Aries all the way down to Pisces, in order. All this is Pisces energy, this is Aries energy, and everything in between. But now this right here, why is the sky blue? Because we're looking up into this dimension, and then through that, when the sun goes down, we are looking up into a midnight blue sky. Lucifer copied the dimensions of the Creator in the underworld. And ladies and gentlemen, these are the energies of the underworld for the purpose of soul evolution. Now these are energies, emotions, which are energy in motion, versus our natural instincts that God created with the light.